Thank you.
Pero, unfortunately, hindi.
Happy birthday pa rin.
How do you feel?
Sayang lang, no? But again, I think I must say I'm very proud of the team na lumaban. Umabot ko ng Game 7, pero Game 7 lang. So I think more than that is really the experience of continuous playing in the Game 7. Hopefully in time, siyempre mga bata na yun eh. Hopefully in time, mabunot din ang tinig. Diba, sa Game 7 eh. Hindi pwedeng always na sayang. Hindi pwedeng sayang lang na sayang. We have to do something about it. But again, I'm really proud of the players, especially those players who are playing every minutes. They're really, nakita naman natin, pagod na sila, pero Japet, they're still trying and doing their best in the play. So, a lot of positives pa rin na nangyari, not only in this game but the whole season. Maraming pa rin positive that we can take away from this one and move forward sa team na.
Maybe sabi ni Coach din, kung manalo sana kayo ng championship, mag-shot mo sana yung pinaka-memorable. Although that didn't happen, gano'n pa rin ka-memorable sa'yo yung ginawa mo last year?
Well, it's a memorable sa akin yun, definitely. Because honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen to me for the next few weeks, few months. So, we'll see. Hindi ko pa alam yung plano ko. I don't.
Are you hinting about?
We'll see. You will hear it from me, definitely, in the next few weeks. So, nakakalungkot lang. This is really my last game. Nakakalungkot. I think memorable this season is really my last game. Game 6. Kasi doon lang ako naglaro eh. Doon lang ako naglaro the whole season eh. So, definitely memorable. So, yun.
Back behind your first row, sabi niya kanina sa post. You really motivated me.
Oh yeah. We always talk. We're both competitive and winner. So last game we did it, and this today, it's just showed that vets can still win games. Yun lang yun. Big games, not necessarily big games. So, how it is. He did what he was supposed to do to carry his team. So, at least last game I had my chance. Right, brother?
You know how I feel about you, bro. Whatever happens, bro. You know how I feel about you.
Hey, bro, have a good game. Good luck, huh? Good luck, daddy. So we always talk. We're good chat mates. Kasi nga, we're both in the same boat. But he's a winner. So ayun. So I'll see you when I see you. Let's see. So yun lang. Ano? Gilas, kita tayo. And Gilas. Dalawang Gilas yun. Parehong August. So medyo busy. Mongolia ako, a week after lang naging. Pero hindi na ako sasama sa kanila. So I have to prepare for the whole month of. Actually, I'll start tomorrow. Start na ako tomorrow. Ulit. And then from there, natin mga training camps.
Outside of the country na.
Yes, we're planning but nakausapin pa namin mga schools kasi nag-start na yung school today. This week. So, nakausapin namin mga schools na namin yung schedule. Yes, we're planning nationwide tour weekend para ma-expose yung mga bata and then anong tawag dito? Out of the country or inviting for pocket tournaments here. We'll see. I'll talk to the SBP about it because the players need a lot of exposure, especially this FIBA Asia. FIBA Asia is way different than Seattle. So we have to see.
Coach, will we see the same kids or will there be any changes?
We'll see. We invited some of the players. Tingin namin possible, but we'll see. But definitely we'll prioritize the players who played for Seattle. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you.
Buhay ka, Coach. Kasi